Alright, so we now have our soldering gun that is completely heated, and we are taking the top screws off of the extruder head module. Try not to lose these little screws, they're easy to lose. And then the plastic casing actually just, if you pull forward, it will come off. And then you're going to see how there is the fan right here. And then next to the fan is the extruder. And the piece that we're actually trying to get off is right here. You can see that there is a plastic zip tie around it, and that's what's holding it in. This right here is a heat sensor. It actually has tripped and no longer works, so we are going to bypass that. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the zip tie. Easier said than done. Now, because we are bypassing this, we're going to actually be soldering the two wires together. So you can just clip and then clean the wire so that you have connection points.
This doesn't clean real good because it's so small.
Notice that it's easier said than done. Now you do need to know that by bypassing this, you no longer have a built-in where the machine will stop if it overheats. This means that you really don't want to leave your 3D printer unattended, because if it does overheat, there is a potential for it to probably start on fire. But the alternative is a 3D printer that doesn't work. Now you're using a piece of cardboard because as you're soldering, you do not want the solder to land on anything else on the printer. This is where you might want a second pair of hands, because as you can see, holding those wires together and soldering at the same time, unless you're really amazingly ambidextrous, not going to happen.
All right, so